Clean and dry the application area. Make sure it is flat, hairless, fleshy and unbroken. Grab the corner of the pad to peel it off. Do not touch the gel with your nail or pull the wire. Attach the pads to the skin at least 1 inch apart in pairs. Use the tense pads on one part for 20 to 30 minutes. Turn off the unit before removing the pads. Grab the corner of the pad to peel it off. Do not pull the wire. Drop a few conductive gels. Apply to the surface of the depleted electrode with finger halo. Let the pads set to dry for 12 hours before use. Place the pads back onto the protective film. Seal them in the packaging and store in a cool, dry place.